So while it does look like we're walking down a New York City Boulevard Avenue, we're inside the New York Hotel and Casino. We're about to ride the Big Apple roller coaster. Really excited about this. Haven't done it in a long time. Let's get upstairs and take a look. So down here we've got a QR code. If we wanted to bypass the sales line, I don't know what the line's going to look like. We've got to go up these escalators to see, but we've already bought a ticket. We've printed it off, but if you wanted to bypass it or see how much it's going to cost, scan the QR code on the screen. So looking down onto the casino, you're going to come up the escalators, and it's very New York. You're going to walk past Nathan's, and I think our kiosk is going to be down here. And here we go. This is where we're going to buy our tickets to get on to the ride. I'm excited about this one. A little nervous because last time I rode it, it was a banger. So a lot of different packages. It looks like the $49 plan is going to get you one roller coaster ticket, 100 Big Apple arcade credits, 100 redemption points, a plushie, and a free hot dog with any beverage purchase. So you get a coupon. But I'm pretty sure that this is going to tell us that if we just want to ride it one time, yeah, general admission is $25. A re-ride after that is $10. Vegas locals, military, and first responders are going to get in for $18. But an all-day screen pass, which is what we got, $65. So it looks like we're going to follow these roller coaster arrows all the way through this arcade, and I guess it's somewhere over here. So to ride, you are going to need to put everything inside of a locker. Let's see how much that's going to cost us. Looks like a standard size is going to be $1 for an hour, or a large is $2. So these are the large ones, and there's my hand against it. That's a pretty good size. These are going to be the standard ones. Also pretty good size. I think we're going to go with the standard. So there is quite a lengthy line to get on it. Standby is this way if you've got a screen pass, or if you're a Gold Plus MGM Rewards member. You can go down this way. From this point, it was pretty much a walk-on though. So here's what I'll say. The ride's fun, but it is an absolute banger. I mean, your head just shakes like constantly. The restraints aren't super tight. They're kind of like these flimsy, like, I don't know, like rubber. They're not flush against you, so you shake pretty good, and the ride shakes pretty good, which this roller coaster is pretty old. I think it was built in 1999. So I think you've really got to like roller coasters to enjoy it. Otherwise, it's probably going to be a one and done. For me, I did it 3 times, and that was way too many, but I still enjoyed it. Do I think it was worth $65? Probably not, considering I can get into like Six Flags all day for that price. But when in Vegas, like, you're going to pay Vegas prices. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. Have you ridden this ride? What do you think? Would you ride this ride? Is it one that's on your bucket list? Let me know. In the meantime, I appreciate you watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Until next time, we'll see ya.